DJ, are you ready for me now? Couple of 2021. I don't think this noise is enough. Make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to welcome the latest couple of 2021. DJ, are you ready for me now? Are you ready? Are you ready? Everybody, if you're ready, make some noise. Say what, say what? Are you ready now? He's killing it good too. DJ. Are you ready now? Spend your money. Say what? Ladies and gentlemen, and then I'll be able to tell you. Right now, I'm confused. Hey! Put time. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this wonderful couple. Wow. Call her a pet name. Yes. My Afan soup. It's not the one. Angel. Okay, not at all. Cupcake. Is he the one? All right. Is he the one? All right, please increase the mic, the second mic, please. By myself, I will tell you he's not the one. All right. Goody. Is he the one? I will be calling somebody sweet of 2002. right.
It's me, Sly Baby.
Don't worry, this one just spoke like what that something that they put battery at his back. All right, sweetheart. Nah, like nah, sweetheart. All these things that causing diabetes. All right.
Hey, baby.
He's not the one. Don't worry. We call it like a farmer. All right.
Hey, boys, can hold it.
You will never hear this one. All right, let's hear this one now. Baby. Is that I should move on? I mean, I should pass. Ah, wow. Wait till I say what I'll be like again.
Bicycle.
All right. This person now I'm giving, I'm sure he's the one. I'm very, very sure he's the one. All right?
Cutie pie.
Is he the one?
What did he think?
Say, what did he say?
Record.
All right, let me try the last person. If it's not this one, then I think we'll do, let's see, the last person.
Baby.
Is it the one? That's a room now, please. All right, the last person now, let's go. Mama. Is he the one? Is he the one? Is he the one? No, DJ wait. All these are the bees. You are shaking back. Move. You said yes, we did not hear it now. Did you say yes? Did she say yes?
He said yes.
All right, bring this one. Kristen. Thank you. All right. Watch now, just watch it. This is the last one we'll do now. All right, the last person.
Baby, good.
All right, the last person. Is he the one? If he's the one, you say come forward.